Etapa 8, sección 13. Cuenta historias en la fogata 4-6. No sooner had we made the campfire. No sooner had we made the campfire than it started to rain.
I heard the sound of a witch laughing.
Escuché sonido de una bruja riéndose. De repente un grabó nuestros grizzly bear.
Apparently, witches live in these woods. Watches. Witches.
The flash battery was dead, so they could see.
No sooner had he said it than the sky filled with lightning. Hand.
The watches is strange.
It was Bigfoot.
No sooner had Anna started to call for help than her phone went dead. "What's wrong, dear?" said the creepy witch. "Why are you so scared?"
Sooner.
Fue una llamada para ayudar que su teléfono se murió. ¿Qué fue lo que pasó? Querido, dijo él, porque tú estás de miedo. No podría llamar a nadie.
Believe me, you don't want to make a witch angry.
Créeme, tú no quieres hacer una.
Believe me, you don't want to make a witch angry.
No son el hat.
Start. They.
A footprint like that could only have been left by Bigfoot.
Big exist.
Believe me, you don't want to make a witch angry.
Start.